Hero, the AI development tool that AWS has, that it will default to an auto and it'll look at what you're asking it to do and decide which model would be best for this based on the complexity. Yeah.
Exactly.
All right. So, Logan, I guess Google Cloud also has that kind of a model garden where there's a few that you can choose from, but that's not
Mhm.
their main focus, is it?
I would agree. Google positions itself a little bit differently. And I think there's a quote from Thomas Kurian, who's the Google Cloud CEO, that I think is instructive, really shows you the direction Google is headed. So Thomas Kurian at Google Cloud Next, their conference of that was in April, said, "We don't hand you the pieces, we own the full stack, from custom silicon to the employee's inbox." And this really highlights that Google combines a hyperscaler cloud platform with a frontier model lab in DeepMind. And Google is training the Gemini models that are competitive with your Anthropic Claudes and your OpenAI GPT models, and they make their Gemini models very available throughout their cloud platform as well as their productivity and enterprise applications. A lot of these tools are found on what's called the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Those who have used Google Cloud before may be familiar with it from its previous name, Vertex AI, but that's where you would find really their full suite of generative AI and agentic tooling offerings, from their low-code tools that are similar to a Copilot Studio over to their full developer tools that are more similar to a Bedrock or a Microsoft Foundry, are all found in this unified machine learning and AI platform called Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Uh, like you called out, Miles, they do have the model garden, which has access to over 200 plus models, including Google first party models, Google open weight models like their Gemma family of models, third party models like the Anthropic Claude family of models, open source models, your Llamas and DeepSeeks and Cleanse. But you can definitely tell that Google is building an opinionated platform around Gemini, and Gemini is their model as well as their platform here.